Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach you about the Indian artist, ninth English, unit number 4, lesson number 2, reading works of art, Sayyid Haidar Raza. Reading works of art means कलाविष्कारांचा आढावा. सईद हैदर रजा. Sayyid Haidar Raza, popularly known as Raza, was a renowned Indian artist. Renowned means very popular, प्रसिद्ध असे भारतीय कलाकार होते, चित्रकार होते. सिंपल geometric shapes, striking color combinations, captivating compositions, these are some of the characteristics feature of his paintings. He was very great painter. In his painting he used so many arts, simple geometric shapes, striking color combinations, captivating compositions. These are his characteristic features of painting. And so are the colors blue and orange. You will find them in almost all his paintings. We can see blue and orange colors in his painting. None of his paintings depict lifelike human figures of copies of scenes from his environment. He had painted his paints very naturally. His paintings belongs to the abstract style of paintings. Such paintings are not inspired by any external factor. They originate when the artist tries to peep into his own inner mind. They are made by arranging circles, triangles, trikon, squares, chaurus, rectangles, ayat, lines, resha, dots in different compositions using effective techniques of applying paint. When he was applying paint, he used all shapes, circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots very attractively. Attractive color combinations, achieving balance in some places and creating imbalance in other places. Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art. Here is a question. I would like to ask you one question. What did Raza find? Raza found his paintings through his study of Indian art and heritage, cultural context and philosophy. His pictures seem to radiate peace and life at the same time. We realize that the painting is visible from a very deep thought. Very few abstract paintings communicate with the viewers as much as Raza's do. Look here, Raza was born in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. Where was Raza born? You can answer the question. Raza was born in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. He began to paint from his age of 12. When did he begin to paint? Another question. He began to paint from the age of 12. He studied art at the Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur. Where did he study his art? Another question. He studied art at the Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur and then at the JJ School of Art in Mumbai. Later, he went to France to study art. After a few years, he decided to settle in France. What did he decide? He decided to settle in France. His wife was French. He won many national and international awards. He was honored with all the 3 Padma Awards. You know Padma Awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. These are Padma Awards. With all the awards and honors, his paintings were exploring a spiritual, metaphysical path. Gradually, the bindu or point came to be the core of his paintings. He described his work in these words. He said, "My work is my own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries of nature, and from which is expressed in color, line, space and light." Sometimes an artist's thought appear to be too complex or even complicated when they are expressed through words. For him, the effective medium of communication is his work. His paintings. Raza had great creativity. His paintings are very expensive, very expressive. This great artist passed away on 23rd July 2016 at the age of 94. When did Raza pass away? Raza passed away on 23 July 2016 at the age of 94, leaving behind a legacy of sensitive paintings achieved through extraordinary compositions of lines and colors that depict extraordinary compositions. Here, in short, I will tell you summary. Sayyid Haider Raza was a famous Indian artist. He was born in Madhya Pradesh. At the age of 12, he started painting. He took his education in Nagpur and JJ School of Art in Mumbai. Later, he went to France for study and settled there. He presented his art through geometric shapes, striking color combinations and captivating combinations. He developed an abstract style of paintings. His works were representations of inner mind. His paintings did not depict life like human figures or nature. He was awarded with all the 3 Padma Awards: Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. His paintings were communicative. Raza passed away on 23rd July 2016. Now I will ask you some simple questions. You can answer those questions. Who was Sayyid Haider Raza? Answer the question. Sayyid Haidar Raza was a renowned, means very famous Indian artist. Where was Raza born? Raza was born in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. When did Raza start to paint? Raza started to paint from the age of 12. Where did he go to study further? He went to study further to France. Thank you very much.